I need better lighting in my garage. Way more light. So my plan for the day is to install 6 of these flush mount LED lights. I've only got 2 halogen lights right above me. It lights up half of the garage pretty well, and then the other half doesn't light up at all. I'm gonna just poke some holes in the ceiling and put these boxes in, run some wire, and then install these. I have already got the locations all marked out. I just need to drill some holes in the ceiling with this hole saw and start installing. Come on along. These little light boxes are great. You just cut a hole in the sheetrock and then it slips up into the hole. And as you tighten these screws, this tab comes down and pinches the sheetrock between this flange and that tab. I want to put one right here, but this light's here. That's how it usually works, is there's something right where you want to put the new thing. So I'm leaving these lights in, and then I'll put this one in very last. Wrong. So my breaker is off. I've got these 3 wires coming in and these 3 wires going out. So I'm going to twist those together, and then I'll wire nut the light onto those twisted pairs. It just keeps them so that they're in line with each other and just makes everything easier. You don't have to do it. Maybe you're not even supposed to do it. Green is ground, so that'll go with the copper. White goes with white. I've always found that when I'm trying to wire nut a small wire to a bigger wire, like in this case, if I stick the small wire in the wire nut first and spin it on, it seems to work pretty good. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it. That's how I like to do it. You want to make sure to install this mounting plate before you wire nut these wires together, otherwise you won't be able to get that on there. That mounting plate just screws to the blue junction box, and then the light is just made to go up in these slots, twist it, and it stays in. So I'm just going to tuck these wires up in. Now you twist it and it locks in. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Hey, thanks for watching. I just want to emphasize that I'm not an electrician, so if you're going to tackle this project on your own, make sure to do your research, use caution, and remember that electricity is dangerous. I didn't film myself running any of the wire through the attic because while my hands were acting like electricians, my butt was acting like a plumber, and that's all you would have seen, so you're welcome. Also, remember to go and get a permit if you're afraid you're going to get caught. And again, thanks for watching.